Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Silent Hill F all-in-one graphics mod. I show you guys how to install it. Just need to check my video description for this link. Go to files, scroll down. Under main files, you can able to see ray tracing off. If you want the ray tracing on, then you can download the ray tracing on in here. The third one listed. I'm going with the ray tracing on because I have RTX 5080. Depends on the needs. You just need to download the mod, guys. Select the manual download option and select the slow download option, and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account, and then select the slow download option. And after the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, double click on it. Just right click on the engine and just copy it. And then go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Find shf. Just double click on the folder, saved folder, config folder, and the Windows folder. Paste the file we copied and right click on the engine and go to properties. Check mark this read only option and select apply and OK. And now just to close stuff here and launch the game. And as you can able to see the difference, I can able to see it. I will play the video left before and after. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.